This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the system safe and accessible. Park level, chalk the opposite wheels and set the parking brake. This prevents movement while you work. Next, disconnect the trailer plug and battery ground so no power reaches the brake magnets. Remove the wheel fasteners, take off the wheel, and pull the drum. If it's stuck, tap around the flange to break corrosion. Once done, visually inspect bearings and seals, replace or repack bearings if they show wear. Then continue to the shoes. You now free the old brake shoes by unhooking the return springs and turning out the retaining pins. Use spring pliers to avoid slips. Carefully remove the adjuster and any self-adjust components so you can compare old parts to new ones. This tells you why wear occurred. Install the new shoes in the same orientation, seat the adjuster, and reattach springs and hold downs. Make sure to apply a thin smear of high-temp grease to the backing plate contact points. So you finish by refitting the drum, slide the wheel back on, and torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer spec. Reconnect the trailer electrical and battery ground. Adjust the shoes by turning the star adjuster until a slight drag appears, then back off one small movement so the drum spins freely. This sets proper clearance. Finally, lower the trailer and perform a low-speed brake test while loaded as usual. If you hear grinding or binding, recheck spring seating and adjuster position. Those are the usual trouble spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.